Hello.
And Merry Christmas and Happy Yule and Kwanzaa.
And Happy Hanukkah.
And you are at Lit with Lara and Terri.
Woo!
So,
the weather outside is frightful, but in here we're getting lit, so it's delightful.
It's COVID, you know, what else do we have to do? Get lit.
Yeah, and dress up, man. Let's have fun.
Yeah, let's be fancy even though we can't go anywhere. Ooh.
Yeah.
And my lovely assistant Terri today will tell you what we're making.
We are making a very merry Cosmo.
Ooh. We're going to use our fancy little green glass. When you make drinks, glasses are very important. So these kind of glasses, this is more like a champagne glass, but it would work for what we're doing. And it has historical value, so it's lovely. So when you make drinks, you usually make them with this thing. It's a little measuring cup. I go by this standard. If it's bigger, you get more booze. If it's smaller, you want a lighter drink. That's just how I do it, you know, because usually drinks are going to be 1, 1, and 1. That's usually the formula, like for an old fashioned.
Right.
And you know, it's really not that hard. Like, you know, you go out to a fancy cocktail bar, it's like $12-15. You could easily make that at home. I mean, sometimes it's nice to go out, but where can we go right now?
You can get a giant bottle of booze
For like $20.
for $20.
I know, right? And so, let's get started. So I'm gonna mix my drink in this lovely little shaker.
I'm excited.
Are you very excited?
I am very
I think what we're gonna do first is we're going to muddle a sugar cube. So can I have a sugar cube, please?
Yes.
I usually, when I muddle, I don't really have anything special. I just use the end of one of my other devices. Momo likes her drinks a little more sweet than I do. So I start by muddling.
It's to match my nature.
I'm muddling the sugar a little bit because she likes it a little sweet. Cranberries are a little bit rich. Okay, so let's go ahead and start mixing the alcohol after we put a little bit of ice in here because you want your drink cold, right? A little cocktail. A little cocktail should be cold. Get the ice. I'm loving your gown today. It's very lovely.
Thank you.
You know, nowhere to go. Dressed up with nowhere to go but our house to get lit.
Vegas lounge singing.
I know. Chartreuse. Chartreuse.
I feel like we've already been drinking.
We haven't had anything to drink. Okay, do you want a big drink or a little drink?
A little bit.
Okay, little drink it is. Let's get the vodka.
Whoa.
Are you ready? You want to pour it for me or should I?
You pour it.
Oh, you're
Can you
nervous.
pour it? I'm a little nervous.
I just.
Okay,
I already,
it's a very big bottle.
okay.
It's a very big bottle.
Ooh, we did it. Woo. And in it goes.
Did not spill a drop.
No, not like last time. Cointreau. Cointreau. Cointreau.
Can we do just like a half of the little one of Cointreau?
Half? Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You know, the nice thing about making drinks at home is you can, no, a little bit more than that, a little bit more. You can tailor them to your taste. Because sometimes you go out to a bar and you try a drink and you're like, this tastes like shit.
And they're gross.
And they're gross. Because it's to that person's taste.
And then cranberry next?
Yes, let's do a lot of cranberry. Cranberry, pour it in. Not gonna have a UTI this year.
Oh.
One more, I think. Let's do one more. One more. Yeah, one more. Now, do you like a stronger drink or a weaker drink? Weaker. Okay. Well,
I'm a lightweight.
we need lime, so we'll do the little one for the lime.
Okay.
Little side.
A little bit of lime. Maybe not so much.
Right there?
Just a touch.
Excellent. And so you like a weaker drink?
Yes.
So what I will be doing instead of stirring it kind of maintains it so it doesn't get so boozy. I am going to shake it because
So that it stays more boozy.
well, actually, yeah, it stays more boozy when you stir it. It becomes less boozy when you mix ice with it because the ice is mixing into water
Right.
and making it. So
I feel like I should duck.
you should duck. So we're gonna mix it,
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Happy
Keep on shaking, shake it. Happy holidays. Happy
Yeah.
holidays.
Okay, you ready?
I'm stuck on that line.
Okay, and we are going to pour. And you get the garnish.
I do. What we have as garnish are some little sugar-covered cranberries.
Pour.
Well, that's pretty.
That is pretty, isn't it? Okay, and garnish.
A couple of the garnishes. I don't have any tongs, but I'm gonna be drinking it, so I guess it doesn't matter.
I know. And
Goes in there.
and we made one earlier for me, which is way more boozy. So you want to hand that to me, and you take yours.
I will.
Okay, happy holidays, everybody.
Happy holidays, very Merry Cosmo.
And
Have a good holiday season.
Exactly.
Oop.
Ching, ching. Ooh.
That's good.
Yeah, that's really good.
Ooh. Mwah.
Happy holidays.
Well, after a few of these, you'll definitely have a happy holiday.
Definitely. Okay,
That is really good.
thank you guys for joining us. We will be back again with more Get Lit with Lara and Terry, and you will get to see many
You would not
fabulous
believe outfits. And you would not believe how many boozy holiday drinks there are.
Have a good one. Happy holidays.